Hi, it's Savannah Oakwin from Savannahland 2. Friends, it has been a while since I've shared a video, and I apologize for that large canyon-sized gap. It's been really hectic with moving and setting up a new studio, and then I had to learn, or I am still learning, I should say. I'm still learning how to record in the new room with all the acoustics and cabinets and a wall that moves. I know that sounds crazy, but it really does. Forgive me because I have not mastered creating videos just yet, but I'm trying. Now I've got some super fun ideas for the upcoming Easter holiday, and today I want to share how to make some of these bunny decorations using the bunny card die set. Now this decoration is so easy to make and can be used for holding Easter eggs filled with a message about our Savior as well as candy. Or you could use them as nameplates for Easter dinner. You could even use them for napkin rings or holders. Plus, you can customize them in many different ways. You can leave them plain if you have absolutely no time and need something quick. And I have to be honest, that's probably what I'm gonna do. You also could make them out of different pattern papers or colored papers. You can add a pop of color using more paper and die cutting the rest of the images to create a face and add the inner ear of the bunny. You can even stamp a sentiment or write a name on this strip before you create the decoration using some of the Easter stamps that Paper Smooches has. So these are just a few of the ideas that I've come up with. I'm sure there are many others. So to create these little bunny decorations, just follow these easy steps. First, you need to gather your supplies. You're going to need some pattern paper or cardstock. I'm using just regular size sheets of paper. They're 8.5 by 11. You're also going to need a die cutting machine and trimmer, a ruler. I'm going to be using my T ruler, but as long as it's 12 inches and about an inch in width, you're good to go. You're also going to need tape or glue or a stapler. You also need some plastic eggs with a message and candy. And then you're going to need your bunny card die cutting set. To begin, we need to use our ruler to create a base. All I do is line the ruler up to the bottom of my paper. Where is the bottom? There it is. And I place my bunny die on top of the ruler, like at the top. And I line them up in the center. You don't really have to, but that's what I do. And then I washi tape him down so he doesn't move. This creates the base, an extra strip, and then we can die cut our bunny image as well. Now I'm going to take my trimmer and I'm going to cut off the top half, but I'm going to save it. I'm a paper saver, and we will use this to create other bunnies in a second. Now I'm going to run this through my die cutting machine, and I'll be right back. Once this is die cut, this is what you will have. You'll have a full set with the ears, but it doesn't cut all the way down the edge. So this is where we're going to take our trimmer, scissors or craft knife, and we're going to just trim where our paper ends from the ear and die cut image. So we're just going to trim this off and trim the excess paper off. And now you'll have two pieces. You'll save this for other projects as well. Now to finish, all you're going to do is match up the ends, creating a circle the size of your egg. And here's where you're going to use your tape or glue or stapler. You can staple this down, you can glue it down, or you can staple these edges together. Now, optional, you can go a step further by die cutting the other pieces of this set, which I've done right here. Here are the other pieces. There are whiskers, inner ears, teeth, so cute. Some mouthpieces, eyeballs, noses, and things like that. So I've die cut them. And you can add it to your bunny before you create it into your circle. So after you've cut off the excess, this is where you will add those pieces. And if you do, this is what it might look like. How adorable is that? So cute. And then you would just fold these in together. And what I like to do is just tape it. So I'm just going to take some of my clear tape and I tape it down, fold it over the edges. And then I'll do that once more over here on the edge on this side. And there is your bunny. How adorable. It's that easy. Now, back to my extra piece of paper. Let me pull him out. You can actually make 3 bunnies from one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. All you're going to do is do the exact same steps. So you make your base using your ruler, lay your bunny on the top in the center, tape him down, and then die cut this. You're not going to cut the top off, you're just going to die cut this. Okay, so give me a second and I'll be right back. After you do that, you're going to have something like this. Again, we're going to cut our excess piece off using a trimmer, scissors, or an X-Acto knife, whatever you prefer. And we will have one more bunny and an extra piece. Now with this extra piece, so fun. All you have to do, I love saving paper. I really do. You'd flip them over, line up your ruler, and then instead of placing the bunny in the center, you just place it wherever there's extra paper. So I could place them on the side here. So there's enough for me to attach here and wrap it around, or I can attach them over on this side maybe. Probably not on this side because I don't have enough space. So for this one, I would just attach him on this side and create another bunny this way. I love saving paper. So 3 bunnies per paper. I hope that you're inspired to create some of these bunny decorations for the upcoming Easter holiday festivities. And I just thought of this. What if you use the other card dies to create other animals for birthday parties, school activities, and events, or even showers? That's so fun. You could make a cat and a dog, a bear and a frog. I even have used the cat and dog to create a bat and a lizard, I think. And I know some of the other Paper Smooches design team have created other images as well from these sets. So there are so many options. I think that's so fun. Please leave a comment below with a link to one of your creations or link up to our Inspired by Virtual Smooches post. I'd love to check out your project. Thanks so much for watching.